How did you get into becoming an Instagram video coach, basically?
Yes. So it started back when I was in college. I started doing some digital marketing and public relationship internships. And the first person I interned with, she had her own digital marketing business. She worked completely remote. And it was my first time kind of introduced to the entrepreneurship world.
Mhm.
And so, circle back, a few years after that, she really had kind of planted the seed. And before I was graduating, I was like, so what do I want to do when I graduate? What is that dream job going to be? And so I had the idea of doing social media management services. And I told her about the idea. She was like, go for it. I'll actually give you your first client. And so that is kind of how it started. So I started just like on freelancing websites, doing social media management. And really quickly, I knew I needed to niche down because any social media manager knows that when you're doing social media management for all the platforms, it is quite literally a full time job. And I just found that Instagram was what got me the most excited, but also was what businesses struggled the most to really leverage for their brands.
Mhm.
And so that's kind of where my Instagram management services came about. And from doing courses and starting to build my personal brand, that has now transformed into how I work with my clients now through coaching and my signature programs.